In today's video, we will replace the bulb for the taillight of 2017 Hyundai Sonata. Very first step is we open the trunk. We'll need to take this cover out by turning this clockwise and then taking this cover outwards. We only need to pull this out and it will come out. Once the cover is out, there is that indicator bulb that we need to take out. Now I can use my fingers, but sometimes these plugs are a little stiff, so I would recommend using a pliers to take this plug out. We actually need to turn this plug anti-clockwise and then pull the plug outwards. There we got the plug with the bulb taken out. Now in order to take this out, what you have to do is press and hold it like this, and then you turn the bulb anti-clockwise, just like that. So I did turn it. It will come to a point where you cannot turn it furthermore, so you just leave it the way it is. You're still pressing and holding onto it, and then you take it outwards. Now suppose you got a new bulb and you want to install it back. All you have to do is just make sure this edge and this edge right there, it matches with these two spots of the plug to slide in. So now I will make sure those two edges enter the plug by matching the spots in the plug itself. Just like that. Again, I will press and hold, and this time I will turn it clockwise. This way the bulb is firm and it will not come out. So we have to install it back to that spot right there. Just one pro tip I will give you guys. You see the structure of the plug? Notice here it's coming out like that. You don't see this kind of shape like this anywhere on the plug. Now the same spot I showed you guys, just like that, it actually has to go towards this side right here, if I can show you. If you punch in the plug by facing this side right there, it will go in easily, and I will demonstrate that to you guys. This area that is coming out from this plug, we will make sure that it goes towards that spot. Notice here I am maintaining the position of this plug like this, and now I will punch it in. With a little wiggle, notice the plug will eventually go in completely. Once it's completely in, only then we turn the plug clockwise. Now in some other cases, you will also see another plug in the middle. In my case, I cannot see that because I think this tail light, half of it is actually LED. If you want to take that plug out and replace the bulb, just replicate the steps I showed you and you should be fine. Now we will just put back this cover. We'll make sure the bottom edge needs to go in first. Then we will slide in the right side edge. The top part, you just have to push it with your hand, just like that. Once it's completely in, only then we turn it anti-clockwise. There it is, and it's not coming out anymore. With that, we are done with the replacement of the bulb. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.